right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through for a Positive Wednesday edition. Special shout out to all the students that I've ever had that have helped me, taught me, covered me, figured out things that I couldn't do. So thank you, Bethany. Special shout out to Mr. Tilton. Let's hear it from Mr. Tilton. No, that is not acceptable. Liv, you're not even clapping right now. Can we hear it from Mr. Tilton? Thank you. Thank you. All right, so this is 10-8, and 10-8, we learned these power. So like, we got like, let's see. If you had like this, and you had x, y, and z, what would be the equation here? X squared equals, excellent, y times y plus z. That's one of these power formulas. So what I'm going to do here real quick is I'm going to rewrite this picture so it's a little bit easier for you to read. Okay? And then I'm going to show you what I'm so thankful to Bethany for, her advice. So, I'm just enlarging it. We've got a tangent segment that goes this way, and then it stops. And really all I know is that this is a right angle, and that this is 12, and that this is 8, and it's asking for the diameter to start. Well, here is what Smart Bethany decided. Why don't we just extend that thing, okay? And let's call this x for now. And you might be asking, well, why would you want to do that? Well, think about this. If I know they asked for the diameter, but we really probably just want to find the radius, right? And if you drew this red chord, the relationship between the radius and the chord is what? It's a perpendicular bisector. So if I could just find x, then I think I know that this is 12, and I would be able to find this part right here, which would find me the radius. So that's the mission. Okay, so what we're going to do is say 12 squared equals 8 times what again? 8 plus x. So this looks like it's going to involve factoring or quadratic. 144 equals 64 plus 8x. I lied to you completely, which is nice. You know, I like lying. 80 is 8x. X is 10. Beautiful. So x is 10, which makes it 5 and 5. And there she is, that pretty little girl, Janet Jackson. Right there. So what is that black radius? That is 13, which makes this 13, because those are both radii. Okay, so that's the answer. 26 is the answer to part A. So now they want to know how far is the circle from point A. Hopefully you guys understand. What I really want to find is the length of that pink segment, right? And then I can just take that pink segment and subtract out 13. So the pink line is the square root of 144 plus 169. So it is the square root of, help, so that's 313. Okay, so the answer to B is the square root of 313 minus 13. That is this distance right here. Boom!